Welcome to Da Nang. Look at this, it's cloudy and stormy. I'm gonna go to the beach, take a little stroll, say hi to our friends right now. But there's still many people out there. You can already see the Americans. It's still busy, even though you can only see a little bit blue over there. People laying around, relaxing. John! Who should I use for a thumbnail, you or Bo? Bo? Can you act a little bit like sexy?
I'm not as pretty or as sexy as she
maybe,
is. So
maybe for the French community.
I don't know.
This is so bad. Why do you put it on the guns?
Overcast, but sometimes that's okay. It doesn't have to be like 100 sun all the time.
All right.
You know, it's still a little cool, breezy, and beautiful.
Okay. Give me some thumbnail pictures. Maybe I can.
You gotta like lay down,
retouche.
like this,
We already took 1 million pictures and TikTok videos, guys.
It's okay.
What do you think we've been doing?
The last time we got 100,000 views, right?
100,000? Oh, come on. Talk to me when you're at 1 million.
Okay. Maybe with you in the thumbnail would be better.
Yeah.
Huh?
What?
It's super dangerous, guys. You have to really take. You have to put on sunscreen or hide from the
I
sun.
knew that we're gonna be so loud here.
I know.
Yeah, it's like before, me and John were like a bit loud, but like I know that when you and Izzy come, we're gonna be like super loud.
It's like next level.
I think like everyone.
What do you mean with loud? What are you doing here?
Is it an issue? Yeah, no problem with that.
It's so windy, we have to
try
speak
to
up.
contain myself.
People are still going in the water, but not really deep in. Just surfers, right?
Cold out there.
Yeah?
I think it's cold.
The water is cold?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like refreshingly cold.
I talked with an Australian surfer the other day, and they were like, "Oh, it's great."
Surfers love it.
But yeah, as you can see, it's very cloudy. It might rain a little bit in the Sontra Mountains over there, but yeah, you got a little bit of sun over there, and then it depends, right? So sometimes in the afternoon, the high rises here block the late afternoon sun. Yeah. It is what it is. We're gonna take a little stroll over there and see how busy the beach is now, because afternoon, evening should be always pretty busy. A wild English hooligan!
Izzy!
And I got it all on camera!
Oh my god.
You gotta be careful of these English hooligans, man.
I know, she's trying to
My God. How long do you do jiu-jitsu?
Like a year?
A year?
Oh my god.
Okay. Look what he did to his hair, man.
Oh my god, one thing
Hey,
we're
have
worried
respect
about.
from the older man, okay? He's 40 years old. Why you?
I got him walking funny.
Wow. Okay.
Got him walking funny.
So where are we going now?
Let's go to the coffee shop. Your coffee shop.
Huh?
Your coffee shop? Next to Maya.
Oh yeah. But let's walk here, or on the
It's like
beach.
the second fight I've gotten in today. The first one was with the Grab driver. Fantastic.
What happened?
People are scared now of you.
Oh, fantastic story there. Oh yeah.
All right. So be careful. There are some English lady hooligans that are very rude. It's going into old people here, huh? Yeah. It's every day busy. Well, I think as soon as the real heat comes out, it will be less. It's just too strong.
That's good though. Like they're doing so much construction in my area now.
Really?
Yeah, like since after Tet, they're like tearing down all the local houses.
Okay.
They're gonna build some villas or apartments everywhere.
Huh. I'm wondering if they're gonna be like big apartments.
It's hard to say. They just built like a really fancy villa next to my building.
Do you know how much the the rentals are. No, the training. What is the training?
Oh, the lesson.
The lessons are 1 million per hour.
That's crazy.
I just asked. I asked the other day. It was 1 million per hour.
God.
Yeah.
What are
But
they trying to do?
I don't know. I don't know if that's normal.
No, that doesn't sound normal.
Yeah.
I thought it was like 350, 400k
Yeah.
for the hour.
Maybe it's like just this beach part here.
We can also get coconuts here.
Coconuts.
Kokosnoot.
Hey.
How do you say it in
McLean, oh,
German?
look at this. Look at this. Maybe this is the guy I told you. He's 60 years old and look at his the biceps. Show me the biceps. My God. I'm scared.
See you, buddy.
How you doing, man?
Good. What's happening
I'm
here?
filming.
Oh, all right. Well,
Yeah.
got a nice
Hey, that's my friends. That's my wife. That's John.
I'm not his wife.
That's my bodyguard.
Hey, buddy.
What's
Yeah.
going on, brother?
Hey. Is he?
Watch out, she might try to bear hug you and throw you to the ground.
Oh, I don't think she can do that with him.
She will try. She will try.
That's great. What a great night, eh?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right,
should we-
well, I'll leave you to it, buddy.
all right. Have a good day.
Okay,
Are you
you
coming on
too.
Sunday?
Yeah, I will. Definitely.
All right.
I'll
Okay.
see you then.
Awesome. See you then.
Have a good one. Take it easy, buddy.
So short.
He's so big, right?
Yeah.
It's crazy, and he's 60 years old and so strong.
He looks great.
I wanna.
Steroids.
I don't know, but I wanna look like him. That's why I'm gonna go to the gym now.
Sammy.
They
Huh?
grow like that.
Hey, their belly is here, but it will leave soon. Okay. Someday. Excuse me. I'm a married man. Okay, I don't need to look anything anymore.
Oh, what about for your wife?
I do.
Huh? Have you seen her?
Hey, she signed the contract already. She signed the contract.
Maybe you
Just
every
sign
day.
another contract to
No.
Every day you just have to do this.
What?
Move everything here.
From the belly to the arms?
Yeah.
Yo, your wife's got jokes, Sammy.
Okay.
She's funny.
Huh.
I told you already.
I bet so.
All right, we're gonna go all the way there to the coffee shop here on the next to Maya. I hope there's a slot. I hope there are some seats available.
Amaya?
Yeah, no, next to it. Sit down already. Sit down already.
Cà phê sữa đá. Cà phê sữa đá.
Soda. All right.
Take a bus.
Isn't that beautiful?
You can order it.
All right. Right, her.
Right here. I'm from Virginia, and my name is John.
Goddamn, Mother Goose. It's country club
Hey.
over here.
You already wrestled him on the floor. Oh my God.
That's what rednecks do.
Give me a seat.
You're-
Got my redneck.
All right. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video and see you in the next one.